Today, we mark not just the creation of the physical structure, but strengthen our commitment to justice, equality, and the rule of law. The judiciary, as we all know, is the cornerstone of democracy. It is the protector of the Constitution and the ultimate defender to the rights and liberates every citizen. In India, where diversity is our strength, the judiciary plays the crucial role in ensuring that the right of each and every individual, irrespective of the background, are safeguarded. As we celebrate the inauguration of this complex, I am reminded of the profound wisdom of the ancient Indian sculptors and which emphasize the importance of justice. Dharma evo heta hanti dharmo rakshiti rakshata. This translates, those who destroy justice are destroyed and those who protect justice are protected. The court encapsulated a sense of judiciary's role, the protector, righteousness, and enforcer of justice. Honorable Chief Justice Dr. Chandrachud, your presence here is a source of great inspiration for all of us. Under your leadership, the judiciary has not only defended the right of individual, but also expanded the boundaries of justice through the progressive judgment. You have ensured that the judiciary remains the guardian of equality, fairness, and liberty for all. As we gathered here today, it is also important to recognize the role of the district and session court, which is often the first point of interaction for the citizen seeking the justice. This court represents the hope for the countless people who believe in the rule of law. It is here that grievances are addressed, disputes are resolved, and most importantly, faith in justice system is strengthened. The creation of this new complex is testament to our commitment to ensuring that the judiciary has the infrastructure it needs to function effectively. We understand that the justice delayed is the justice denied, and this complex, equipped with the modern amenities, will help expedite the resolution of the cases, reduce pendency, and deliver quicker justice to the people of Goa. The judiciary not only upholds the law, but also serves as a symbol of trust for the citizen of our country.